like normal people, but hey ho, you know.
All the seats out the estate car.
No, actually, it's not my problem.
Hello, Kay.
Right, welcome to Shawn Automotive. I am Colin, and I'm away right now. And Sam has been filming some footage on his Astra van. If you don't know about our channel, right, we've got loads of commercial stuff. We've got a big wagon that we use for transporting the race cars about. We've got a Bedford van, a Bedford CF camper van, we call it the Bedford van. We've got my Astra van, and we've got Sam's Astra van. When somebody crashed into my Astra van, we'd got this estate one that we've got for the engine. And Sam was toying on, I wonder if you could put the estate interior into his van. So Sam's sitting on now, and he's going to rip all the interior out of it and put it into his Astra van and see how it goes. And we've got some wicked. He's going to come up in the next episode of it as well, which is a proper boogie sound system off the company. Let's get cracked on with today's video. Hope everyone's alright. A little sneak midweek video for you. We've got the ST getting wrapped on the weekend.
Still on with that door handle?
We've got loads of content if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that like button, because all your support with this channel is wicked. Let's roll on and let's get to 20,000 subscribers. Also, we've got a couple of transit vans. One that the apprentice is starting on at the moment. So we have got loads of commercial stuff that you can check out on the channel. The bigger the channel will get, the more stuff we will do and the more projects we'll start doing and raffling away to you for free. But we need to grow massively, so we need your help on this one. Thank you very much. If you don't know me, I waffle quite a lot. Sam, take it away.
Right, now we've got it running, what are we going to do, Casey?
Put me seats in it.
Are we?
Yeah.
What, so you can sit in it?
Yeah.
Alright. What's that down there?
Flashback. months later.
Right, so last time we got on with this,
Yes.
we got the brackets put in. Colin welded those in, top, bottom and middle. And then it all just kind of came to a stop. So today we'll get the seat belts in. It mounts somewhere on the side here. And then try and get all these seats in before we have to move on to the next one. What do you say, Kirsty?
Nothing.
No? Is it not your seats?
No, I see it's not my problem.
Casey's got all of that emptied out now. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure up in the grey estate car that we've got. See where we need to cut these holes for the seat belts, because they have to be on a certain angle or they won't work. Be a bit disappointing. Then we can get them fitted. Hello, Kay. What have we got here?
Seats. Engine.
Oh, another engine we're building for a customer now. Look at that. It's like brand new. Obviously, Fanta and Lucas air bottles in there as well. Right, let's find the donor vehicle. Is this it? I better not take that to bits, it might be a bit angry. I think I did crash into the wall yesterday though. Not my fault, not my van, not my problem. Here we go. Lovely in here. Nice. Some fish in there. Right, so our van hasn't got these holes here. See. We're going to have to make these holes so we can get them seat belts in. What I have to do is I'm just going to measure it. I'm going to measure it so that I know exactly where it comes off here, and I know exactly where that bracket is in the van, so we'll make sure we get it in the right place. Right, let's get on with that. Right, we've worked it out. This specific measurements, this is what happens. So from that spot there, straight across, 2 inches up, bottom of the hole, square. Get that cut in there. Same at the other side. Drill a hole for the bolt and get them bolted in. Let's go. Right, we don't have the bolt hole for the top of the seatbelt. This is turning into a proper nightmare. This would have probably just been easier to buy the kit like normal people, but hey ho, you know, I'm not that way inclined. What do you reckon?
Nothing.
Right, in the next video, what we've got is we've got a full sound system that's going to be installed into the van. All of this was supplied by Car Audio Centre, which have supplied us a 10-inch floating, doubled-in sat-nav, Apple Play, navigation, all that kind of stuff. It's going to look epic, is that. We've got a 12-inch sub there. It's going to go into the proper 12-inch box surround that they've supplied us with. That's going to be powered by this amplifier. Then we've got, for the rear of the van, we've got these speakers. Front of the van, we've got a component set. We've also got some sound deadening that's going to go in the back, so otherwise it's going to sound proper tinny. DAB aerial, all the fitting kits, fascia panel for the radio. We've got a full amplifier wiring kit there that'll be going in. So all of this is going to be going into the van in the next video. So can't thank Car Audio Centre enough for sending us out this stuff. What we're going to do, below the video in the link, you'll find a link to their website where they have absolutely everything to do with audio, from speakers, doubled in, wiring kit, absolutely anything that you need, and the prices are proper reasonable. And this stuff was sent out, dispatched, and it was like a day later it was with you. So we're going to check out the quality of this stuff. I have no doubt that it's going to be good quality, and can't wait to get it all fitted into the van. So let's crack on and finish the rest of the van off now. But yeah, thanks a lot Car Audio Centre, and look forward to fitting that in the next one. Right, seats are in. That's tacked on, that'll be seam welded round just to make sure it's in the right position. Job for Colin that when he gets back. That'll take 2 seconds and that'll all be painted up, cleaned up. Ratchet mechanisms in, All the seats lock into place perfect, all bolted in. Same again at this side. Seam well around that bit. Ratchets in there. Seats firmly fixed. So all the seats out the estate car are now fitted in. Yeah, they do need a valet. They're going to get dirty coming in and out and in and out. So yeah, so when we get the boarding in with the carpet, that'll cover all this. Hoping to have the speakers in somewhere down here. Maybe the amp buried in there as well. Minimum wires. Same with that side speaker in there. All of this will be carpet. There is a full roof lining out the estate car going in. The bit of trick lighting in there. But yeah, I'm happy with that. All seatbelt mounts, everything seems to be in a good place. So happy days. There will be a full boot carpet going in here as well. All of this will be boarded up, carpeted up, sound deadening to go in the sides. We're about there. So I've been Sam, this is Shawn Automotive, and unfortunately this one is my job and it is my problem. Bye now.